Hey artists, this is how you play dominoes with artwork. So I have my instructions here. You can always refer back to these if you get lost. Notice you need a group of 3 or 4, probably not 5, but it could happen. You'll need a scorekeeper, so somebody who's going to be writing on your scorecard. And that person needs to write the names of everybody on the scorecard. And you're going to put your domino cards, which look like this, face down on the table. Everybody gets their cards. So everybody would take like 3 cards. Here's my 3 pretend players. And then 1 is going to go in the middle of our table as our anchor card. And the rest we're going to put to the side. So person 1 would go first. They're going to examine their cards and decide which one they can somehow connect to one of these 2 images. So I see that this one has a lot of patterns in the spirals, and this artwork also has a lot of patterns with the background. So I can place these end to end like you would with dominoes. So I'm not trying to connect these numbers. I would then explain this connection that I saw, the patterns, being very dominant in both of these artworks. And then my scorekeeper is going to give me the points that I got from both cards matching together. So a 6 and a 3. So round 1, I would get 9 points. Then the next player is going to go, but now they have a variety of images that they can go to. So looking at theirs, they would want to see how they can make some kind of connection to one of these cards that are on there. And let's see, these 2 are incredibly similar. They're both like suitcase things with animals inside of them. So I would connect those 2. So person 2 gets 6 plus 4, which would be 10 points. So we would finish up round 1, everybody taking a turn. Then we will go to round 2, round 3, and we get our total to see who wins the game of dominoes. And that is, artists, how you would play your dominoes with artwork.